Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't working on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. First of all, if your touchscreen isn't working in some specific game, this might be simply because this game doesn't support touchscreen controls, or maybe it does, but you just have to change it in game settings, and I cannot provide you with any specific guide on how to do that. You should definitely go to settings controls and adjust your touchscreen controls in this case. Now, if your touchscreen isn't working at all on your device, first of all, try to force restart it by holding down the power button until the power icon turns off on your device. Then turn it on again by pressing the power button once again and let your device turn on and see if this problem is resolved right now. Once your device is restarted, check if the issue was resolved, and if it wasn't, if the issue persists, then check for any hardware issues on your device. So check for any cracks, any visible damage on your device that could have caused this issue. I wouldn't recommend disassembling your device if it's still on warranty, as in this case it would be much better to contact ASUS customer support service and tell them about your issue, and then send your device to repair for them, for repair to them. But as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation on your device, and to do so you're gonna have to enter BIOS. So turn off your device once again by holding the power button for a while. Okay, and once your device is turned off, you have to press the power button once and then repeatedly press the volume down key until BIOS menu appears on your screen. And once the BIOS menu appears on your screen, you can navigate here using your controls, so your D-pad, to navigate between options. And I would start with resetting default settings. So choose the default option right here and press A, and press OK to restore default settings. Then press save and exit, and press OK once again, and let your device restart, and maybe this will fix the issue. However, there is no specific setting in BIOS to re-enable your touchpad, but if this doesn't fix your issue, you can go to boot menu. Basically, you can reinstall Windows on your device from USB. We have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need that video, you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. However, you can also use the other way. Press Y, then press the right button on your D-pad to go to advanced options, then select ASUS Cloud Recovery, press A. Then you're gonna have to connect to a network. You're gonna have to reconnect to a network, but if you want to enter the network password, you're either gonna have to connect an external keyboard to your device, or remove the password from your home network for a while, so that your device can connect to it without you connecting keyboard to your device. Just click next, and then let your device search for any available networks. Then select your network from the list, press A, and then provide your password into this field, and then proceed with the following steps, and this will download a fresh new Windows copy from the cloud for you. Now, once again, to save and exit from this menu, you have to select save and exit option, press A, and then wait for your device to restart once again. And yeah, these are all the troubleshooting steps that I have for you in this video. I really hope that this is not a hardware issue and you'll be able to regain access to your device by performing a factory reset operation at most. But generally speaking, that's it for this video, and I really hope that it helped you. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.